Today, we're going to be making oobleck.
Oobleck is a solid when you play with it and turns into a liquid when it remains untouched.
The word oobleck comes from a book called Bartholomew and the Oobleck. It's a Dr. Seuss book.
Before we start, make sure you have something to cover the table to make cleaning up easy and prevent stains. What you need to make oobleck is cornstarch and water and food coloring.
First, you're going to take a large bowl or an airtight container. Open up your cornstarch and measure out 1 cup. I'm using a 1/2 cup measuring cup, so you're going to see me pour in 2 cups. Once you have 2 cups of cornstarch in your bowl, put the cornstarch away, and you're going to have to measure out 1/2 cup of water into the measuring cup and then pour it into a plastic cup. You'll see what I mean when I say plastic cup. After pouring it into your plastic cup, you're going to take a food coloring of your choice and put it into the water. We decided to go for a teal. So, the reason that you don't put your food coloring directly into the cornstarch is because not all of the cornstarch will get colored. When you're mixing in your oobleck, when you're mixing the water into your cornstarch and you'll see the oobleck starting to form. Make sure that you try to mix in a circular motion. Once you think the oobleck's ready, punch your fist into it and see if you'll get a lot on your fist. If you do, just go ahead and give it another mix. After you're done, if you made it in a large bowl, you may want to wash out your large bowl with warm water. But make sure not to get too much cornstarch down your drain, or it could clog it. Another option for cleaning up is if you let the oobleck stains stay out, the water will evaporate and leave the cornstarch behind, and the cornstarch can be easily vacuumed. As you can see right now, I can take the oobleck and form it into a ball on my hands, but then it immediately liquefies. After you're done making your oobleck, you're going to want to close it up. That's how you make oobleck.